Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to thank my friends at Hamilton Marine. As you all know, I did a video walkthrough of their cool store about a week ago, and guess what? Today in the mail, I came home and found this box in my mailbox, Hamilton Marine. I opened it up, and I got this great hat, and I love hats. And these sunglasses. The only problem is I wear prescription glasses and I can't see a thing with these, so I'm going to take it off right now to finish talking to you. And oh, there you are. Sorry about that. I love the glasses, guys. I'm going to give them to my wife, for Luca, when we go out on the boat. She could use them when we go fishing. Be able to get rid of the glare and the sun. She loves sunglasses. So thanks a lot. The hat's cool. And they gave me a gift certificate. Thank you. Woo-hoo. I'm going to buy more stuff from you guys, especially since, okay, here's what they did. They sent me a gift certificate, and then they sent me their catalog, and it says $20 off a $50 purchase. I saw about 100 things in here I want to get. So, whoa, it's like Christmas. Actually, it is like Christmas. It's coming right up. So, thank you. Instead of Hamilton Marine, I'm going to call you guys Santa. And they sent me, a chapstick. And minty. And pineapple. Well, with these glasses, I have to get my reading glasses to see what it is. I believe it was a tropical blend. But, hey, thanks for the chapstick. Again, I'm going to give it to my wife. Unless, do you think you guys might have one in lobster flavor? Consider that. We're in Maine. So, thanks to Hamilton Marine, and you all have a great day. Bye-bye now.